What's going on, guys? Joko here, or Jordan. I'm back with another co-creation video. In today's video we're making a Warzone banner. My main voice over this one, just say the last video I did of the Valorant banner, I edited that on Sony Vegas, and I've got no clue how to use Sony Vegas, so what I'm going to try and do is obviously learn how to use that and edit on there a bit more often. As I edit on the PlayStation Share Factory, and that's where I've been editing for the past 3 years, I guess. And so I might change stuff, I think, and try and use Sony Vegas. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We're making a Warzone banner. You probably see it in the thumbnail. It turned out pretty well. I had like an image in mind of what I wanted to make it look like, and it turned out pretty much exactly what I wanted it to look like, with the bit of making now on the side, with the effects I added to it and stuff. It kind of turned out alright. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this, and obviously if you want any of my work or see any more of my work, my Twitter is in the description of where you can find most of my work. My pinned tweet is my portfolio on Twitter, so you can go check that out if you want to see all my other work. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you guys continue to watch the rest of the video out, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace guys, see ya. Bye bye.
My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear, like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.